Hey, so got the intake manifold off. The GTR finally gave it up. There's a couple things on here that I wanted to show you guys. So this piece here, which goes to the cold start valve, needs to be installed on the aftermarket intake. It's not a big deal. You can use Fippage or something. Also, these two sensors need to be removed and installed on the intake. There is this, which was already been blocked off. That's a actually looks like almost like a feed, which is going to the turbo, water, the factory water line for the factory turbo, and that needs to be blocked off. And then kind of figure out what we're going to do with these hoses, I guess, once I see how this manifold fits, how much room we have, etc. Yeah, but that's the manifold off. This one is gonna go here. This is how it looks off the car. It's a bunch of hoses, routing. Let me try and clean this up a little bit, and that's it. And hopefully we'll do another video when it's on the car.